Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the latest way to hide a chat on Gmail using your PC, thanks to the new update. It's easier than ever to keep your inbox organized. Let's get started. First up, open your web browser and head to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your messages. Once you're in Gmail, find the message you want to archive. You can scroll through your inbox or use the search bar to locate it quickly. After you've found the message, click on it to open it up. This will bring up the full conversation for you to review. Now, to hide the chat, look for the archive icon. It's a little box with a downward arrow, and it's located at the top left side of your screen. Click on this icon, and that's all there is to it. Your chat is now hidden and safely archived away. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for tuning in.